Windows 11 looks great, but it's bloated, slow, and it collects more data than most people realize. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 10 Windows 11 settings you must change right now to boost speed, to improve privacy, and get a smoother PC experience. So let's go. The first thing to do is to turn off startup apps. Okay, so to do that, you right click the start button in task manager. Okay, you see the task manager, right click. Then if you can't see any startup app, click here this, and then click startup apps. So you disable anything you don't need launching at boot. Anything you don't need here, just disable them. Okay, I've disabled thread view, disabled terminal, I disabled certain things. Okay, with this you're able to save at least 10 to 30 seconds of your startup time. And to disable, all you need to do, just go to where you see enable, just right click it and you click disable. It's disabled. Okay, the second thing you should do to enable speed and privacy, make sure you disable background apps you don't use. Okay, any background app you don't use, disable it, because Windows love running apps in the background even when you are not using them. Okay, to do that, just go to settings. I type settings, click on settings. Now go to apps, click on apps, look for install apps. Okay, under install apps you see all these install apps. Let me disable calculator. Okay, click on the three dots, click on advanced option. Now you see background app permission. It said let this app run on background, power optimize. Open it, click never. You have disabled it. This will increase the performance too. Your PC and battery will thank you. The next is make sure you turn off unnecessary visual effects on your PC. Okay, for slower PCs, animations can slow things down. Okay, so to do that, click on, just search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. Okay, on this option, select adjust for best performance. Click on it. Alternatively, you can manually disable this, animate and this, but let's just adjust for best performance. Click apply and then okay. Okay, your system becomes noticeably snappier. Okay, the next is make sure you disable ad tracking and personalize ads. Okay, do you know that Windows 11 tracks a lot of data for advertising? So to do that, go to settings. Okay, click on settings. Now go to privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. Go to recommendation and offers. Click on it. Just disable these things. Turn it off. Okay, this protects your privacy instantly. Okay, the next is make sure you turn off telemetry data collection. You know, by default Windows sends diagnostic data to Microsoft, so you need to turn that off. To do that, on your search, type diagnostic and feedback. You click on it. Okay, Okay, you can see sending required and optional data. Turn it off. So it's now sending required data. This is what you should send, not the optional data. And with this, you'll be sending less data and more privacy. The next is to uninstall bloatware. You know, Windows 11 comes with apps you will never use. You have the Candy Crush, the TikTok, the Xbox, and all those stuff you will never use. Just go and uninstall them, because when you have fewer apps, your system performs more. To do that, go to settings. You click on settings, click on apps, click on install apps. So you see all of them, all these you see S-Boss. I have uninstalled most of my own. Okay, you have S-Boss, you don't need this. Click the three dots, click on install, uninstall, and improve the performance of your Windows 11. Okay, the next is make sure you enable storage sense. Okay, go to settings, click on settings. Now look for storage. Look for storage. Click on storage, and then scroll down under storage management. You see storage sense. It's already enabled. Yes, so it's okay. Okay, your PC stays clean without your lifting a finger. The next is optimize the system power mode. Okay, Windows 11 sometimes chooses balance mode for battery savings, but you can change from balance mode to best performance if you really need speed on your PC. So to do that, just type settings, under settings. Now still here, look for power. You see this balance, the power mode is balance. Move it to best performance. Okay, this gives your PC full power to function effectively. You need to disable app permissions you don't need. So you know, apps can request access to location, camera, microphone, contacts, messages, even if they don't need it. So you need to disable it. To do that, go to settings. Okay, go to privacy and security. Now look for under app permission. You can disable anyone you don't need here. Okay, like example, use location. This will require for request for location. When you enable them, you can disable. Okay, the next one is go to Windows Update and enable get the latest update as soon as they are available. It keeps your graphic and chipset drivers updated for maximum performance. So to do that, still on settings. Okay, Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. Can you see I'm updated? Just enable this. Get the latest update as soon as they are available. Enable it. And that's it. These 10 settings will instantly make your Windows 11 PC faster, smoother, and more private. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.